In the previous tutorial, /posts/python tutorial /, we built a REST API with Fast API. Now let's build a web scraper, a program that extracts data from web pages automatically. Let's break it down. Install dependencies. httpx makes HTTP requests sync and async. BeautifulSoup 4 parses HTML, LXML, Fast HTML parser, used by BeautifulSoup. Fetching a web page, always set a timeout and a user agent header. Some websites block requests without a user agent. Parsing HTML with BeautifulSoup. BeautifulSoup HTML, LXML parses the HTML and creates a tree structure you can search. Finding elements. Find and find_all. CSS selectors with select. CSS selectors are often easier than find. If you know CSS, you already know how to use them. Common CSS selectors. Extracting book data. Here is a complete function that extracts book data from a page. Extracting HTML tables. Many websites display data in HTML tables. Here is a reusable function. Rate limiting. Always add delays between requests to avoid overloading the server. Usage. Checking robots.txt. Always check robots.txt before scraping. For production, use Python's built-in erlib.robot parser module for a more complete implementation. Complete scraping script. Here is the full script that scrapes multiple pages. Handling errors. Things will go wrong. Handle them gracefully. Dynamic content. When BeautifulSoup is not enough, BeautifulSoup only parses the HTML that the server sends. If a website loads content with JavaScript, like single-page apps, BeautifulSoup will not see that content. For JavaScript rendered pages, use one of these tools. Playwright automates a real browser. Recommended. Selenium, older alternative to Playwright for most websites, including books.toscrape.com. BeautifulSoup is enough. Common mistakes. 1. Ignoring robots.txt. 2. No rate limiting. 3. Source code. You can find all the code from this tutorial on GitHub. GitHub, Python tutorial/tutorial 24 scraper. What's next? In the next tutorial, /posts/python tutorial automation / we will build an automation script, a file organizer that watches a folder, sorts files by type, sends reports, and runs on a schedule.